About a year ago, we had just launched our business in the UK, but it was still in the pilot stage.
We wanted to launch in Sweden, although we knew that actually Sweden is just a test market. It's so small. So we wanted to go to a larger market.
Initially, for us, it was about getting access, or helping to just get access to the Swedish startup sort of ecosystem and everything else, and meeting some really interesting businesses that could be relevant for us to invest in.
We have met with lots of people, lots of experienced people that have been able to contribute with their experiences in different ways. So
people speaking to the point about things that we are concerned about, such as recruitment or raising money or setting up an office abroad. I think that's been very helpful.
I definitely recommend it. From our perspective, as I said, it's given us a lot of exposure to some really interesting businesses, which I've really enjoyed meeting them.